assembly, I'm not doing this year. Nyama is to turn name. You know, they started almost 2 months in the room, but 2 years in Yaman couldn't be able to feed it so far. Me and I'm not doing oh, we was about for now, the source of revenue or reliable. There are internal generated funds are often IGF and a common fund. The rest mean to me can because I know a conditioner. They meet certain maybe and sana we renew them. Make say a December baby or obu have never applied for but steady jumapano kwembi ado won sabaka IGF and only common fund. Yadi nyama baby Martin there answer na common fund no assembly no way budget and the budget is so way with projects and the scanner ban then you are implementing your budget and the your bisu also or donor fund and outside the budget able to be used and IGF and the run office computers or your letters they call some workshop ni no IGF no your staff crowd or assembly payroll what the IGF do you use IGF can be a chunk and as this case every unfortunately no I have to go by the budget I'm in Botry and we are trying our best to implement whatever is in the budget and then I will have input in the 2018 budget the honor ebia musumi new ebia especially with the issue of sanitation job education input or budget subsequent sika and common fund IGF other donor funds can be able to use those funds for some of those projects. Exactly, Yamina Dum President Amayazi, all those projects, huge debt or yen 20 which President Aji, Dami Sikano ni totani na ama ya submit. You will use there obey your BB. Now you two share contractors are involved in how best we resume all those projects and hopefully so you be done by you continue all the uncompleted projects. For example, the Sudu Community Center, huge project, or the main project actually cover the I don't know a huge one, but you use the several case can have to them project and other project maybe office. My friend coordinating director, while a list of all of them or me table do a steady. That notwithstanding, the anti-president Ninka Krana, minimum the Batininka, the Antininka Krana, through our own resources, are able to be mobilized just common fund only affected by the current budget or going into the future. And if you can put some of these projects in the new budget and then see how able to handle some of them. Constitution is I think 3 times in a year or so, minimum 3 times in a year. But already maybe I first one. Through that, no matter sessional address as and when or necessary there we call for another one, we will do that. Some of the decisions you can't take them alone. A package in the general house. But before you get to general house to all the subcommittees of the assembly, or the ones who will sit, and then the metro authority, which is the highest authority before the general assembly, you also have to sit before you can call for a general assembly meeting. When the need arises there, or the general house is shared, all these subcommittees have to sit, metro authority have to sit, and all the recommendations will be sent to the general assembly. Oh, projections, the American there, we are working with the budget. If the before it should be in the 2018 one. The 2017 one we came to meet it. So we are outside Cape Coast and outside the office. I would have given you some of the projects 2017 we intend, but if we have to do anything, it should be in the 2018 one. And make it we'll start the process this year. That one I will have an input. In Zanyedua, we'll be coming around to the various electoral areas to take their input and all that. Visit every electoral area down to Cape Coast South interact with the opinion leaders, chiefs, and all that. Their particular program. Think through that, you know. Go for best start the one MC, and it wouldn't be a one-off thing. Once a while, one in your timer, you walk around here, share your mouth for your own income. Like I said, and I've always been saying, my offices are very open. I don't know, Sabahoda. Anytime you come there, once I'm there, you see me. So look around. So mama, when you're the education, then my interactions, maybe any amount of income. We'll be using some of you to the media to speak to the people. At least once a while, come for airtime and then speak to them, give them chance. No one won't be saying some online doing anyone's income. They at an office in what only I think I start until what can we MC better as but make sure what they want to be very often. Some of the things you don't leave it to some of the officers. You go there, you see for yourself. And on Chebia, the best so visible there. At least Dodona Wohu on MC. Yeah, a one district, one factory may be the name, but the project itself can change. Cape Coast or South, Cape Coast South or Cape Coast North. Obviously, you agree with me. The Cape Coast South in your factory. But then we can do something in the service sector. It can qualify for one district, one factory. Look at our lagoon, for instance. We can create something like a tourist area or maybe some facility for lodging and other. Maybe a speedboat, be the Bacana do create overhead bridge. You go to cross from number 1 to number 2. A lot of things. That is why currently. They are secure as I see in Piasama. You move artisans from there and relocate them. Once that is complete, I can assure you, if someone here one district, one factory, but that area should be a tourist attraction area. We are going to work on it. So they involve foreign partners, who say local partners, banks, whatever. And the senior minister, I said, the two projects out to them, can seek the assistance of banks or a card and then take clearance from the finance ministry. I was so happy when he was saying something like, because there are so many banks that will show interest in that project. And going forward, you may share one. That area, that is the most potential area in Cape Coast South. I think when you are able to raise such a structure, apart from there, or be beautify or the revenue be brave assembly may be as IGF that year. The master of Cape Coast North, I by you could do Yan now Cape Coast North. As I see Cape Coast North, so honestly, we are looking at something like a citrus factory whereby raw materials in America today could tune in as they are available, may I give them so. Yeah, share the amount to we were early days yet, but in Yama Biboa or open all the interventions of government from the central level, and so yeah, how we can fit in as a metropolitan assembly. Much as me prede Yabeno, or they who should me interest about them more stress the way on the way in here. And the other year, they want from Bra. Now, is the cutting there. No. Was it but now warrior? Nay, is it just the warrior way in why you soon the implementation to the Yedi Juman soon, BBL model by assembly, model call, a Ben Oracle, model call, be our Oracle. Definitely, there will be a monitoring team. Definitely, because it's kind of a new project type into and in Jim Multibiano as part of the implementation process and now the construction process. There will be often a technical BB committee. I have to check, but what they do is at every stage of a project, they go to site, they sit down with the contractor, check there. From stage to stage, the contractor is meeting with the requirement as per the standard of the assembly. And see, you cannot just wake up, let us see, Bibiana, there will be checks. And apart from the system of the assembly, I personally will be involved and make sure that we get value for money.